how to change spark plug on your small generator. You can see this is a generator. You can do this yourself. It's not difficult to change your spark plug. This is your spark plug. You can see this is the spark plug. How are you going to change it? The first thing you're going to do is that you ensure that you unplug the spark plug cap. This is the cap. You see, you unplug it. Then this is your spark plug. You can touch it. It's not going to do you anything. You see. Then you look for spark plug spanner to lose it. But in this case, I'm going to use 21 spanner to lose my spark plug, because you see, I put my spanner, then I lose my spark plug. This is a very simple way on how to replace your spark plug. You see, you lose it. You use your hand to unscrew the spark plug. It's very simple. It's not hard. You replace your spark plug like this. So as you can see, my spark plug is almost out, and now it's out. And when you lose your spark plug, you need check the spark plug. Don't just lose. Check this. As you can see, this is a new spark plug, because the color of this is going to tell you the condition of your spark plug or the condition of your engine. If it is too black, I'll tell that the engine has problem. But if it is white like this, I think that means your engine is working very well. But because this is a new spark plug, that is why it's still white. As your engine is running due to combustion and carbon soot, you cannot have this pure black. But the color of your spark plug still matters a lot. You need to check. Each color is telling you something about your engine. The color of this very place. So although in another video I'm going to discuss that, what is the meaning of when you have different colors here for a spark plug. But when you have deep black, that will tell you that your engine is not burning very well, or the fuel ratio is too rich. That's all. Spark plug. So for you to replace your spark plug, it's not also difficult. Just ensure that you screw very well. Don't allow it to cross thread. Don't use anything. Use your hand to screw down first. That is to show that you are correct. If you use spanner, you can cross thread, and when it cross thread, you are going to have problem with your cylinder head. So ensure you unscrew. You see, you unscrew down to the end. Then you can now use your spanner, your spark plug spanner, in order to lock it, because if you don't lock it, it can pull. You see, now I want to use this. Now I just lock. You see, I just lock. That is a very simple way on how to then I plug it back. You see what I did now? I just replaced my spark plug. It's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and follow me for more engine tips. See you in another video.